Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna to show you how to create this look by using Beauty Glazed mask palette. Before seeing how I created this look, please subscribe my channel. Without any further delay, let's move on to the video. First I'm going to start with eyebrows. For that I'm using pack super brow cream in the shade 02 cedar creme. I'm gonna to start by doing line on my upper and lower sections of my eyebrows. And with whatever left on your brush, we're going to use that product to fill the eyebrows to make very defect. Next I'm going to clean up the border of my brows. For that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade golden and cleaning my brows more precisely. Next I'm going to blend all the concealer using the brush. First for the moisturizer, I'm going to use this Pond's moisturizer with vitamin E and glycerin, and it's amazing, just observing into the skin so quickly and so fresh. Next step is primer. For that I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photofocus face primer, and it's matte based primer. If someone have oily skin, means you can definitely try it out. For color correct, I'm gonna to use LA Pro Orange Concealer to cover my all hyperpigment nearby my mouth, under eye and hollow cheekbones. I'm going to blend with flat concealer brush. For foundation, I'm gonna to use my all-time favorite foundation from Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. I'm just dotting that all over my face and gonna to blend with the beauty blender. And it's perfect foundation for beginners and oily skin. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade golden. I'm gonna to highlight my under eye, nose bridge, chin and my forehead, and going to blend with the beauty blender. And to bake my face, I'm going to use this sugar translucent powder. And for the eye look, I'm gonna to use this gorgeous Mars eyeshadow palette. I'm starting with light peach shade as my transition shade and blending on my crease from inner corner to outer corner. Then I'm going with this maroon shade, and it's really very pretty color, and pressing it on my outer V area to create darkness, and also going to blend it all over my crease. Actually, few days before I saw this eye look Instagram. Today finally I recreate this look with some changes. Next is time to cut crease. For that I'm going to use the same concealer. Next I'm going to use these both shade and gonna to apply this beginning part of eyelid just to create ombre eye look. Next I'm going to use this red shade on the center of both a lighter and darker shade, and to create nice transition like lighter to darker. Again, I'm using this maroon shade on my outer corner to create darkness. For the lower lashes, I'm gonna to use this both shade. And next I'm taking this maroon shade to create a darkness in my lower lash line. For the waterline, I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Next, I'm going to use some mascara for my lashes. For that, I'm going to use Maybelline Temptation Mascara. And it's separating my lashes and giving nice length. Next, for contouring my face, for that I'm using LA Pro contour powder in the shade medium deep, and it's perfect contour powder for dark skin. By using fluffy brush, contouring my hollow cheekbones, jawline and my forehead. By using small flat brush, contouring my nose. For my cheeks, I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetic blush in the shade Coral Climax. Next, for the highlighter, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty highlighter to highlight my cheekbones, nose tip, cupid and my brow bone. For my lips, I'm going to use Stay Quick liquid lipstick in the shade I Woke Up Like This 3. And finally, to create dramatic look to my eyes, for that I gonna to use LA Color Chrome liquid liner in the shade Rose Gold and going to line on my crease. And finally going to set my face by using Wet n Wild Photofocus setting spray. This is the final look I created today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.